Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? In today's video, I look like a kindergartner. I'm the girl that buys all of those weird earrings that you see in stores and you're wondering, who is actually buying those? That's me. Hi, I'm glad we finally met. Oh, we can't do handshakes. I'm sorry. Hi. Hello. Greeting people like this looks so aggressive. At the beginning when everything started, I was trying to greet people like this and they were like, what are you doing? Are you trying to attack me? The look on their face was very weird and it was kind of hurting my feelings. Let me explain what we're doing today. Makeup and games. I think that this is actually one of the best days of my life. In today's video, I'm gonna be playing Among Us and I'm gonna be doing my makeup at the same time. But Among Us will actually control everything. So in Among Us, we have crewmates who do all the hard work. They're the good guys. But we also have imposters. And their only mission is to sabotage the whole thing and kill everybody. So what are the rules? The first body that gets reported, I'll need to use their color on my eyes as an eyeshadow. Every player is a different color, so it's going to be 100% random. And if the imposter kill me, I'll need to do their color on my eyes. Not only the colors are super random, but also the order that they come in. And that's the real challenge today. But if I get to be the imposter, if I am the bad guy, I basically have all the control in my hands. That's weird why I'm doing that. However, you don't get to be an imposter that often, so probably this whole thing is going to be a huge fail, but I'm here for it. So let's do it. Let's not lose any more time, you guys. I'm so excited, I feel like I had 5 cups of coffee. Maybe I did. I have to pick a name for myself. It has to be something clever. Something that I like so much. I got this. Hello everybody, pizza has been delivered. I'm gonna keep the cheese on my head. Because I'm pizza. Some extra cheese is always a good idea. Shh. Crewmate. Ugh. Now maybe you're wondering, Danny, you hate green. Why are you green? I can explain. So remember that I told you that dead body, brown. Okay, brown is actually a good color to start off with. Remember that I told you that if the imposter kills me, I will need to do their color. So in order to avoid using green today, I am green. Who are we voting? Guys, hold on. Why are they voting me? I literally didn't say a single word in chat. I look sus without even talking. Imagine if I was saying something. 3, 4, 4, 2, 3. Boom. I need to go in electrical. That's where people die. Emergency. You know what? Everything can be fixed with communication. I'm just gonna ask them, why are you guys voting me? Sus lime. Yellow is accusing me without any proof. Thank you, Orange. I think cyan and yellow because they're accusing lime. Orange, what did I do to deserve your trust? Why are they voting me out? I literally don't understand. What's wrong with these people? So, brown, I think that this is the best color that we could start off with. I will mix these two here. I'm really happy that we're starting with brown because I can use it as my transition color. It's a really safe color to start off with. It's more neutral, so it works perfectly for us. And today I won't do my usual zoom in window because this video will probably take me many hours to edit. And doing the zoom in window, it's also quite time consuming, so I just want to have some mercy on me, okay? It's gonna be just for this video, I promise. I know you guys love that zoom in window, and I love it too. It's really helpful. But in today's video, we're just gonna... Sorry, zoom in window. We love you. Let me show you how you swipe that card. I'm gonna show you how you get it right from the first time. Watch and learn, kitty cats. Dead body, yellow. Okay, so yellow is the next color that we are using. I will probably regret doing this. I can feel the regret approaching. So I'm gonna apply that yellow shade in the inner corners of my eyes. Hey, that actually looks really cool. Hello, did you order pizza? Cause I just got delivered. Come on, imposter. Crewmate. I'm gonna go do some tasks. This is my least favorite task, because it takes so long and I literally do nothing. I just have to stay there, wait for it to be done. Oh! I died. White killed me. Oh, and they actually won. I never thought that I would say that, but thank you for killing me. I can use some of this My eyeshadow just passed out. Oh, it remains are all over my desk. Anyways, I'm gonna take some of this white eyeshadow here. This is a very pigmented white eyeshadow. It's awesome. I really like it because I don't need to apply many layers to get it to look like this. This is one of the most intense and bright white eyeshadow that I have. So I'm applying it on my brow bone like a highlight. Gonna do some blending really quickly, and then we're moving on to the next color. Oh, this is so exciting. I wanna be an imposter like really bad. Rest in peace. Whoops. Rest in peace, my friend. You were a good guy. I never got to use you, but you were a good guy. I know that. You didn't deserve an ending like that. Everything is going really well when it comes to the makeup so far. It's going way better than I expected. But the game is not really challenging me. I want some suspense. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change my color from green to something that we already used. Brown, white, yellow. And this will give green more chance. Crewmate. I need to go in electrical and do some tasks, but I'm really scared because electrical also means graveyard. That's where people die. Oh, I got out of it alive. Oh my god. Oh no! Red killed me. So I guess we're using red. I think that I'm gonna use some red maybe in the center of my eyelids. I'm adding some very light shade of concealer before that. This will help the color to really pop out and come out more intense, more saturated, you know. It's my little trick. I think that I'm gonna use this red here. Don't ask what happened to green, okay? Looks like I was very angry when I was using it, huh? Maybe I was. Whoa. Oh, I see everybody was waiting for your pizza to arrive, huh? I'm here, guys, don't worry. And I'm a crewmate again. Black, are you the imposter? Do you want to kill me? Black, do you want to kill me? Black, please kill me. Black. I'm gonna vote pink. I don't know. I don't like the way that they looked at me. Red, why are you following me? Red sus. I'm innocent. What am I doing wrong? Can you tell me? Why they don't trust me when I say that I'm innocent? I don't get it. So, Black, are you the imposter? I'm right here in front of you. You can stab me with your little... Just do it. Do it. Come on. I won't tell anybody. I need you to kill me. Black, come here. We are alone here. You can do it now. No, Red. Red. Red is the imposter. He killed in front of me. Oh, no, not Rex. Red is the imposter. They will probably vote me out. I'm sure about that. Brown was stood over the body and I reported. It's Red, guys, trust me. It's only the 3 of us left. Oh no, they're definitely voting me out. I can see it coming. Pink literally had 2 options, to trust me or to trust Brown. Both of us were saying that it's the other. Why did Pink decide to trust Brown? Oh, the speed is so slow. Yes, we're moving slowly but very confidently. Left foot, right foot. Left foot, right foot. Oh my god, they changed the speed. Oh, this is making me dizzy. I can't think that fast. Oh my god, look at me. Look how fast I'm running. Oh, whoa. Good luck being an imposter here. Hey, Black, do you want to kill me? Oh, dead body was found. Purple. No, not purple. Why am I gonna put purple on my eyes? Are you guys crazy? I don't really know if I want to use it in the outer corner here or I want to use it along my lower lashes. I think that I'm gonna use it along my lower lashes here. Maybe I can kind of extend it into an eyeliner. Maybe I can turn it into an eyeliner later on. I don't know. We'll see. Next game, next color. Let's see. I really want to get black now. It would work perfectly for us. Hi, this is Danny from the future. I'm currently editing this video and I just noticed that I actually got black in the previous game, but I totally forgot to use it. So, yeah. Okay, let's move on. But first, let me swipe that card. I'm gonna go in electrical. That's where most imposters are hanging out. Oh, red is coming. Red is coming. Please don't kill me, red. Please don't kill me. We already used red, okay? I think that black is actually the imposter. I have that odd feeling. Black, where are you? Black, come here. We need to fix the lighting. Dead body. Yellow. We already used yellow, so let's wait for another color to come up. Cyan. It's black. Why? I don't get it. Why me? Why always me? Is it my name? What is it? I saw the animation. Oh no, they're definitely voting me out. I kind of want to cry now. I think that I need to change my name. I'm gonna try to go with just Danny. I don't know. Crewmate, again. This game hates me. This game and apparently every player. So I'm being a good crewmate. I'm doing my tasks. Don't tell me that they just called an emergency meeting to say that I'm the imposter. I will close this game and never open it again. White vent. White no vent. I don't know who to vote. Same here, Brown. Same here. I'm confused too. Blue was actually checking if I was doing the task or if I was faking it. Oh, emergency meeting. Are visuals off? If they are, yellow just faked garbage. Yes, that's me losing my mind. I cried a little bit. Just a little bit. But not enough to ruin my makeup, so that's good. When is this going to end? You know what? I hate that guy. He was doubting me. I'm gonna find him and I'm gonna... Oh, pink. Okay, great, awesome. I mean, I'm not happy that pink died, but someone had to die. And pink works great for me. Again, some white concealer. I still can't believe in how many games I got voted out. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's turning out really nice. Applying now, blending out later on. Oh, I like where this look is going. Crewmate, again. Whoa, that speed. Whoa. Dead body, cyan. People, that's not good. Who are we voting? Green? Nothing personal, my friend. Oh, hi, Brown. Hello, Brown. Oh, no, Brown. Are you the imposter, Brown? Brown, you can tell me your secrets. No, I don't think that he is. He had the perfect opportunity to kill me. Green is dead. Pretend we didn't see that. I'm definitely not reporting his body. La 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 la. No. Because if I report his body, that will mean that I will need to use green on my eyes. And I want to avoid that from happening. So pretend that we didn't see that. Erase it from your memory. If somebody asks, Green? I've never seen him. Who's Green? There was Green in the game? I probably missed that. Dead body. Oh, no. No. Why are you punishing me like that? I should have called an emergency meeting. For no reason, like everybody does. Oh, come on now, come on. What's that? They're blaming me for his death. I should have predicted that. Oh my god, so many wrong moves. This is getting out of control. It's red. Why red? Good play. Proof? He just killed in front of me and ran. What? Brown, you... Liar. Deep breaths. Breathe in. Breathe out. Why am I the victim? No. This just got personal, okay? Okay, so light blue and dark green. Ugh. I need a very, very, very light shade of blue. Probably this one. No. I don't like this. I almost poked my eye. That's too dark. I'm gonna use some pencil instead. I'm not sure how I feel about this light blue in this area of my eye, but... Now for dark green, I think I'm gonna use this shade here. It's a very nice shade of green. Pretend I didn't say that. But listen, I kinda like it because it's not green. It also has a touch of blue in there. It's more like dark turquoise. Something like that. And I'm gonna apply it in the outer corner of my eye here. It will look absolutely horrible next to the red. These two colors don't look good together, but that's fine. I'm gonna try to, I don't know, find a way to make it work. somehow. Okay, now all I have to do is probably spend like 5 hours blending all of this out. But let's do it, you guys. I find the blending part so much fun. Alright, I'm back. I also added a pair of falsies and some eyeliner. Eyeliner and falsies always help. But you know me, guys. You know me. I can't just let this look be completely matte. Don't get me wrong, matte eye makeup looks are absolutely beautiful, but they're just not really my thing, so I had to do something about it. Usually, I would add some shimmers, especially to looks that I don't really like. I always put some shimmers or glitters to save the situation. They always bring the look to life. However, in today's video, I didn't use any shimmers. I added shimmer's bigger cousin. Rhinestones, baby! Boom! Let me tell you, adding these rhinestones is so time consuming, but it's so worth it. I also added a few on my brow, right here. I mean, on top of my brow. I'm gonna speed this up for you because honestly, it's so time consuming. It probably took me like 20 minutes to glue them on just on the one of my eyes. Oh, I love it. You can see my makeup tablet. Why you always try to talk over me? Anyways, you can see my makeup from space. Not only because it's super colorful, but also because it's super shiny. I need to hide my eyes because I'm confusing the airplane pilots with all of those little lights on my eyes. Now we're gonna find out what will be the color in my waterline. The only time that I'm not suspicious is when I'm dead. Imposter! I'm an imposter! You have to be kidding me! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. This is so much fun. I wanna kill White. I can't believe I'm an imposter. Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast. Oh no, oh yes. We won. I guess many people disconnected, that's why. Oh come on, this was the only time that I was an imposter and I had all the power in my hands. And they just left? Ha ha ha, 2 kills. Then how many did you get? 0. Whoop. I know that I'm a disappointment. You don't have to remind it to me. Dead body, it's blue. Can you vote me? Now that I'm asking for it, they won't do it. See? I'm failing at everything. Okay, adding some blue in my waterline. I'm gonna go with something more neutral on the lips because, you know, this whole look is like super colorful. I was planning on letting Among Us choose my lip color as well, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm afraid that I'm gonna get something like green again, and I won't be able to handle green lips again. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out the random color makeup challenge that I did a few weeks ago. Whoa, what an eye look. Look how colorful it is, how shiny it is. Look at those gemstones having a party on my eyelids. I added so many of them, I didn't know when to stop. I just kept adding more. I have a question for you guys. It's very important for me. I want to know if you enjoyed watching this video, if you had fun watching it, because I had so much fun filming it, and I'm planning on filming a few more where Among Us picks my makeup but using different rules. Oh, let me tell you, you're not ready for what's coming up. But I'm only going to film more of these videos if you guys enjoy watching them. So let me know down in the comments, do you want to see more of these videos? And if you don't want to write a comment, you're laying on your couch, you're like, I'm too lazy to write a comment now. That's okay, I understand how you feel. Just give it a like. That's enough for me too. I don't want to ask for too much. Depending on how this video performs, maybe I'm gonna film one more. Hopefully the next time I'm not gonna be that sus. I'm gonna practice, okay? I promise. They destroyed me today. What happened, guys? I still can't explain why did they vote me out so many times in almost every game. If you have some ideas on how I can use Among Us to choose my makeup, let me know down in the comments. You guys are always coming up with so cool ideas. What else? Oh, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!